Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. So do you want the same edit as shown in the sample? So here I am today to help you. So you can see the interface of Filmora. I'm using the version 10, but you can use any version where the split screen is available. So first of all, click the split screen option and select any format you want. For showing the demonstration, I'm using a simple format like this one. Just drag it down to the first timeline. Now in this section you can see the media files are being shown. Now you can just drag it to the first place. So in the first place your first video will be added. In the second portion you can drag the second video and just drop it. In this way you can see that the two video has been added according to the template. You can just adjust it according to your desired length. Now let's click play to see how it works. You can see that the two videos are running smoothly. So for advanced option you can go to the advanced, and from here you can select the length of each video. You can edit the color or animation or customize the keyframing. So you can just click OK. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more editings on Filmora, and thanks for watching the full video. See you in the next editing tutorial.